A clause is a fundamental building block of sentences, and understanding it can significantly enhance your writing and communication skills. At its core, a clause is a group of words that contains both a subject and a finite verb. This means that every clause has a doer, or a subject, and an action, or a verb. Let's break it down. The subject of a clause can either be explicitly stated or implied. For example, in the sentence, "I graduated last year," I is the subject and graduated is the finite verb. This is a simple, single clause sentence. Now, consider the sentence, "When I came here, I saw him." Here we have two clauses. The first clause is "when I came here," which has the subject I and the verb came. The second clause is "I saw him," with I as the subject and saw as the verb. Let's take it a step further with the sentence, "When I came here, I saw him, and he greeted me." This one contains three clauses. The first is "when I came here," the second is "I saw him," and the third is "he greeted me." Each of these clauses has its own subject and verb, making the sentence richer and more complex. Recognizing clauses in sentences can be straightforward if you know what to look for. Start by identifying the subject and verb. Ask yourself, who is doing the action, and what is the action? If you can pinpoint both, you've likely found a clause. Here's another example, "She loves to read." This is a single clause with she as the subject and loves as the verb. In contrast, although she loves to read, she rarely has time contains two clauses. The first clause is "although she loves to read," and the second is "she rarely has time." To help you grasp the concept of clauses, here are a few tips. 1. Look for the subject and verb. Always start by identifying the subject and the verb. If both are present, you have a clause. 2. Check for completeness. A clause can stand alone as a complete thought, especially if it's an independent clause. If it leaves you hanging, it might be a dependent clause. 3. Practice with examples. Write your own sentences and identify the clauses. The more you practice, the easier it becomes. 4. Use visual aids. Sometimes drawing a diagram can help. Write the subject and verb in separate boxes and connect them with a line to visualize the relationship. 5. Read aloud. Hearing the sentences can help you feel the natural breaks where clauses occur. Understanding clauses is essential for crafting clear and effective sentences. They are the backbone of our communication, allowing us to express complex ideas and relationships. So, the next time you write or read, pay attention to the clauses. They're everywhere, and recognizing them will deepen your understanding of language.